Good morning everyone. My name is Vidyanand and I am from ECC section. My roll number is 20BQ1A04G4. Today I am going to say about modules in Python, and from this we are going to learn how to create a module and how to access modules, and we have different methods to access the modules. Let us see with the following example. Okay, coming to the topic, creating the modules. In Python, a module is a Python file. Here we can call the module as a file in the Python programming, and it can be saved with the file name.py extension. A Python file or module can consist of runnable Python code. This means we can save runnable code in the Python. Using Python modules, we can organize related code into group which can be included in any Python application. We can use this Python code in another application. The module in Python makes the Python program easy to understand and use. This Python module or file helps the users to use the program in a easy way, and it is also easy to understand and use. It is nothing but an import statement in the Python module. So let us coming to how to create a module. You can create the module in the following way. In Python programming, to create a module, simply define the functions, classes, variables that you want to place in the module. Save the file with .py extension. Let us create a file which is named with calc and with the extension .py. So I had here defined addition of two numbers a and b, followed by return value, followed by subtraction and the return value, followed by multiplication, followed by return value, and finally division and the followed by return value. This is how a module is created. Now secondly, coming to how to access this module. We can easily access this module by using import statement or using from import statement. Let us see that. Firstly, coming to using import statement. It is used to import all the functionality of one module into another module. Here we notice we can use the functionality of any Python source by importing that file as the module into another source file. We can import one file from so that it is easy to access the Python module. We can import multiple modules with a single import statement. This is the main accessibility in the Python program. Let us coming to the syntax. Suppose if I am going to import n modules, the syntax would be like this: import module 1, module 2, comma, and so on, module n, or we can import these modules by line by line. Now let us use the calc module. First I am going to print the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division values of the defined from the defined module, and to this, in order to access these all values, first we have to import the statement. So I am going to import the statement which is import calc, and the file name is arithmeticoperation.py. Here if we show that if we doesn't show it, specify the module name, it shows a name error. So this is the output of the given inputs. Coming to import and as keywords, we can give a shortcut in order to import the modules. Here I had import calc as C, so I had used the calc instead of C. I had used C instead of calc. This is how we can access the modules, and this is the output. Finally, coming to using from import statement. Instead of importing the whole module, suppose if the user want to use the only addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, which means the user want to perform a specific function in the module. So in order to access this, we are going to use from import statement. The syntax of the from import statement is from module name import name 1, name 2, and so on, name n. Let us create a module which performs some arithmetic operations as this was shown earlier. I am defining the addition, subtraction and multiplication and returning the following results. So in order I am printing the numbers. First of all, I want to take input a and b, and finally I am performing addition. Sum equal to add of a comma b, and I'm using from statement. From calc import add, this statement tells us from calc module the addition function should be imported. This statement will use the interpreter in order to perform the addition function, and finally the output will be like this. In this way we can access the modules. Thank you.